Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will start learning about OFM or Oil Field Manager. It's a software for oil and gas industry or for petroleum engineering from Schlumberger. It's really popular, it's very important and interesting. It can be applied for field surveillance, production and injection performance analysis, and performance diagnostics. All right, so it will be very interesting. So I hope the videos are useful. All right, in this video, we will concentrate only to introduce the OFM. And in the next videos, we will start learning each of the feature inside the OFM. Okay, so this is the window of the OFM. This is our map, the base map. You can see this is the symbol for our wells. This is the legend, symbol for dry hole well, gas producer, oil producer, and saltwater disposal. We start from the left. This is the window or section for the analysis. This is the properties, well info, and properties. Okay, you can see grid type, grid and frame, check none, right? No grid, no frame, grid only, grid and frame. You can see the frame and frame only. All right. We select grid and frame. All right. This is the minimum for X and Y, the coordinate, increment, border. All right. This is the color for the grid line or grid line attributes, the number, decimal places. All right. Okay. This is the filter. And for the navigation here, you can select from completions, wellbores, or field, lease, log data, reservoir, or well type. For completions, we have 231 completion in this case with 97 wellbores. All right. And one field, of course, a field, 8 leases, Beringer, Biscuit, Canterbury, and so on and so forth. 2, log data, yes or no. Reservoir, 73 reservoirs. All right, with their own completions and wellbores. And well type, as you can see from this legend, dry hole, gas producer, oil producer, and water disposal wells. All right, we'll select completion. And this is the features, analysis, plot to make plots, right? One graph or two graphs. This is for the Cartesian, and this is for semi-log. This is to perform forecasting, to create decline curve analysis, and this is to create report. This is to create grid map. Hopefully, we will discuss all of these sections. And contour, surface map, bubble map. This will be interesting. XY map, scatter plot, and if you have data for well log, multi-well log, cross-section, or well diagram, you can also use these features. All right. You can also check a lot of analysis by opening catalog. All right. You can see there are a lot of analysis types. Okay. Analysis, scatter, ABC scatter plot, plot completion comparison, summary, also plot cum oil versus X function plot, cum water cut versus cum oil plot. All right. with their respective operations or their applications, whether for general application, for water flood analysis, SAGD, all right, for shale gas or for CBM, a lot of analysis we can do, including Hall plot, Hearn plot, right, injectivity index. Hopefully we can cover as many features as possible, okay, with the time that we have together. Pattern oil production plot, right? Many things. Very, very interesting. All right, let's see the setup. Okay, if you want to create a variable, you can also create using this feature, calculated variable editor, right? We will try this one later, like doing add calculated variable and then make the formula using this section. All right, user functions, data registers, data dictionary, all right, like allocated calendar day for CO2 rate. We will define the name. That's why it's called data dictionary. The units, okay. You can select units that you prefer. Multipliers, right? Like MMCF per day, MMBTU, something like that. Categories, okay. Yeah, a lot of things. For view, yeah, it's typical. Whether we want to show analysis, properties, or well info, right? Usually we want to show all of them, and also zoom, pan, except this one maybe. It's not that useful. And also you can set up your layout like this one or this one, right? I prefer this one. Okay, so I have analysis, properties, filter, and navigation, and base map in the center. All right, and also tabs, groups, non-standard. We select groups, track cursor, faded completion. Okay, you can leave it as it is, and also format. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can use this one. Okay, legend, if you want to show the legend, right? Legend here. Well names. All right. Deviation. Okay, if you want to show the deviation of your wells. All right. Area. Right. You can delineate your area, and you can see here X, Y, and the area. Okay. Many things we can do with OFM. So this video will only introduce the OFM. In the next video, we will try to learn each of the feature within the OFM. All right. Hopefully we can cover as many features as possible. All right, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video is useful, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next OFM videos. Thank you.